In this video, I'll be going over how to find the volume of a cylinder. There are two formulas that you could use for finding volume of a cylinder. One is pi r squared h, and the other is capital B base times height. Both formulas are exactly the same, except the capital B on the second formula actually is the area of the base. And the area of the base is the area here. And the area of the circle is pi r squared. So essentially, this pi r squared replaces the pi r squared here. So therefore, they're actually both the same exact formula, but they could be written in two different ways. And now we're gonna go ahead and solve and find the volume of this cylinder. So we'll use the first method. Volume equals pi r squared h. So we have pi, and then the radius is 5 feet square, and then the height is 9 feet. So this would give us pi, and 5 squared would be 25 feet. Then we times that by the height. 25 times 9 equals 225 pi. And using a calculator, you could take 225 times by 3.14, which is pi. And the answer would come out to be 706.5 feet cubed, or you can refer that as cubic feet. Anytime that you're finding the volume of a figure, it would be in cubic format. Now, if you're thinking about using the second formula, applying base by height, the base is this portion of the formula. So base equals pi r squared. So essentially, this part is the base, and this part is the height. So therefore, if you are using the formula of base times height, you will need to memorize pi r squared as the formula for base and solve accordingly. So either formula that you use, it will come out with the same answer, which is 706.5 cubic feet. So this is an example of how you will find the volume of a cylinder. We also have other area and volume tutorials, which you can find in the comment section of this video. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.